Hey there, traveling is so much easier when you have the right carry-on luggage. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long business trip, the perfect suitcase keeps you organized, stress-free, and stylish. Today, we'll count down the top 5 best carry-on luggage options that combine durability, convenience, and sleek design. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the Level8 Luminous. The Level8 Luminous carry-on is the perfect balance of style and function. With its sleek, luminous textured design, it's lightweight yet super durable, making it a go-to for both men and women. Airline approved at 20 inches, this suitcase fits easily in overhead bins while giving you just enough room for your essentials. The smooth wheels glide effortlessly, saving your arms and shoulders from strain. Plus, the TSA approved lock ensures your belongings stay safe during travel. If you're looking for carry-on luggage that's both fashionable and functional, the Level8 Luminous checks every box. Travel smart, stylish, and stress-free. At number 4, we have the Hanke H80002. This is a practical and reliable travel companion. At 20 inches, it's perfectly sized to meet airline requirements while offering a surprisingly spacious interior. Built with a lightweight yet tough PVC hard shell, it resists scratches and protects your belongings from rough handling. The spinner wheels make maneuvering through busy airports a breeze, while the compact design ensures a snug fit in tight spaces. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or business trip, this suitcase has the durability and ease of use you need. It's also a fantastic gift option for frequent travelers who value efficiency. At number 3, it's the SwissGear Sion. The SwissGear Sion carry-on is a favorite for travelers who love soft-side luggage with flexibility. At 21 inches, it's expandable, giving you that little extra space for souvenirs or last-minute packing. The dark gray finish keeps it professional and stylish, while the multiple compartments make organization easy and stress-free. Smooth spinner wheels and a telescoping handle add comfort to your travel experience. What sets it apart is its balance of durability and lightweight design, perfect for both short and long trips. If you want a trusted, versatile carry-on that adapts to your needs, the SwissGear Sion is a winning choice. Runner-up at number 2 is the Travelpro Platinum Elite. The Travelpro Platinum Elite is built for travelers who want a touch of luxury with their practicality. This 25-inch medium checked luggage combines a vintage gray finish with high-quality materials for a premium look and feel. Its 8-wheel spinner system ensures effortless movement, while the expandable design gives you extra packing capacity when needed. With a TSA-approved lock and reinforced corners, your belongings stay protected throughout your journey. Perfect for both men and women, this suitcase is known for its durability and smooth handling. If you want luggage that feels as premium as your travel experience, choose Travelpro Platinum Elite. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Samsonite Freeform. The Samsonite Freeform tops the list for a reason. It's the ultimate blend of style, durability, and convenience. This hardside carry-on is airline approved, expandable, and designed with smooth spinner wheels for effortless navigation. The hard shell construction is lightweight, yet tough enough to withstand years of travel, while the TSA approved lock adds peace of mind. Inside, you'll find a surprisingly roomy layout that makes packing and organizing simple. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Samsonite Freeform gives you everything you need in a reliable, stylish carry-on. It's the kind of luggage that turns every trip into a smooth journey. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best carry-on luggage. From sleek hard shells to expandable soft side designs, these picks are built to make travel smooth and enjoyable. Which one fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.